Thanks for welcoming us.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Kita udah sampai bro. Terus setelah ada gila bro, belok kiri. Setelah pasar, terus ada kampung Cingkra mas.
Enggak.
Programnya on the way pak. Ternyata masih di Karangjati.
Oh iya, nggak apa-apa. Ayo,
Kita
masuk
masuk di
aja.
bawah aja ya bawahnya.
Iya.
Ya, sudah. Bisa dia.
Oh, iya.
Enggak mau lihat makro aja. Oh,
Lu udah langsung. Oh, mungkin langsung ke sono ya.
oh, Prof Edi dari sana di Agro.
Ya.
Oh, kita masuk ke Agro. Iya.
Oh,
Di sana istilah rektor presiden.
iya.
We do not have record.
Iya, iya.
Oh, iya.
We don't have rektor.
Din, ya, juga Din, but not Din.
Presiden, kalau itu presiden.
Kalau
Kalau
Din?
dia tetap dia.
We have the dean of faculties
Yeah.
and rector for university.
Iya.
So there is big building.
Rano here,
Okay.
coming from.
My
Yes.
and the atomic absorption or metals or for
Yeah.
cadmium, selenium, or heavy metals here, or mercury. Looks like a pharmacist.
Chapel.
So I used all these reflections and from basically I think what about more and this. Sure. Yeah. We have also.
Gracias.
Hi.
See you again.
See you again. How do you do?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very good.
Good.
Excellent.
Lagi terang-terangin.
My wife is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. She is always with me.
Yes. Mangga, terus
Ya, ayo, ayo.
So, it is almost your going here.
Yeah. Did you like?
Oh, in here now.
In Novara?
2 days ago.
2 days ago. Yeah.
What is the difference? Yeah, some active ingredient usually bamboo and bamboo.
Is it yang? Is
Ah,
Coco bamboo?
Nah, namanya itu bamboo. Yeah, so the bamboo partner. So we will, you want to know, if the same we can extract from the bamboo.
A couple. Yeah. Some kind of. We have imported 2 pandas from China
Oh.
in France. Only 2 in France are in a special kind of zoological park. Thanks back to China.
Jadi ini kita lagi ngumpulin bambu itu.
Iya. Iya.
Ada yang mau tahu di sana karena bambu yang sana tiga itu saya itu satu. Ya, ekstensi.
Pasti.
Of course.
Cuman, you know, the company from the Japan made the soap. One soap like this is 200. Jadi kalau untuk itu, bos, no need to.
Okay.
But so we want to make akar itu batang-batangnya this one. Yang dari Jepang one bottle ya. Dari sini.
Dari memang
Ya. Ini belum sudah.
Yes, sure.
Apa itu?
ada yang problem ada pharmacist.
Untuk virus saya tahu ya virus itu bisa in vivo, in vitro. Nah, kita yang paling gampang dulu toh.
Lemon.
Lemon dan jerawat.
Oh, ingredient aktifnya sama dia. Seperti
Ini apa khasiatnya?
sama, tapi isinya kan sama.
Membuat
Nanti nyari dosisnya.
Pak Wiwit ini tuh apa?
Kita sini main tidak. Rasanya.
Oh, this is the one I told you.
oh dari
Saya
saya.
kan
Yeah. Find it.
ini mau tak?
In
You can
Holland,
find in
they
France.
have-
Oh iya.
You can put in the.
It's
The
for
product
people.
available in
I'm sorry.
Frank, available.
Yeah.
Okay. With the phytotherapy.
You can keep like this. They take a photo.
Okay. Now I need to take one. Please come in. Okay. So this is free advertising.
Realitas, kalau memang 500.
Oh iya, sini
Bu,
murah
tapi
ya.
di Belanda Bu.
Iya, memang.
Di Asian Store di Eropa banyak.
Iya, kalau dia keluarnya kan di mana-mana.
Sampingnya.
You still have
And
same.
when we check it every day. We check it random. But this is the document.
Seperti 3 tahun lalu, after 3 years.
Kita buat pabrik pabrik yang baru itu,
Right.
ya karena each batch only 1,000 liter.
Okay.
So every day is around 56
30 sampai 40 Pak.
40 batch
Jadi ada
every day.
holidays.
So we do every batch is check the aflatoxin, the apa
Microbiology test
microbiology.
aktif.
Jadi each batch setiap batchnya. Makanya kita lihat wah ini terlalu banyak, kita bangun pabrik lagi supaya satu hari only.
Sedang berlangsung ini.
Ya. Kalau sekarang 10 batch, very hard.
Yeah.
Because too many batch. So every batch get bigger batch,
Yeah, sure.
bigger size. Punya 1,000, 6,000
Oh,
Liters.
per batch. Ya.
Like a lot of work.
Ya.
Oh,
Ya. Ayo.
Diulang Pak, diulang Pak.
Hilang.
Ah,
Angkat Pak.
Bintang filmnya harus masuk.
Bentar ya. we get from the government is CGM. But we approach her.
You already put your.
Yeah. I mean,
So you are
the
the
license
president,
is CGMP, but we produce her, not pharmaceutical.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
You know, Minneapolis.
Yeah.
Monggo Prof.
Let's turn to pharmaceutical.
Ya.
Satu mobil
Ke arah mana?
kanan.
Oh, di Kompas ini.
Barengan. Bapak barengan.
Firstly, we have to treat the waste effectively. We don't want to.
Oke.
Kita mau ekspor. Makanya nanti kalau bambu apa bisa itu. Ya kita ngembangin. Masih banyak lah. Ya. Ayo.
Jawa Timur. Apa, Mbak? Apa, Mbak? Enak dong. Halo. But the way we English is different.
Yeah, English. Back English.
Yeah.
Different.
Oh, director of the center. Nice to meet you.
Wait,
It is very.
Wahyu mana ya?
Kita kayak iklan kita dulu yang tips biasa kan.
Yeah. Where people meet or. Yeah. So good. I wait. Oh yeah, nanti ya.
Thank you very much.
Bambu. This is bamboo tea.
Oke, terima kasih.
Too sweet. Aduh.
Maaf.
If too sweet ya.
Cheers. What kind of
Bamboo.
bambu?
Bamboo and grassroot.
Okay. Good
This is for panda. Panda.
Yeah. Well,
Ya. Iya, bambu. Punya anu ya? Apa namanya?
Mama pesawat jam berapa, Res?
Anget ya enak.
Oke ya, Mbak, tunggu ya.
Ini lagi. Enak.
ada yang nggak dingin?
Ada.
Ada yang hangat.
Hangat.
Maksudnya minumannya apa?
Apa aja?
Enggak, ini apa yang dulu?
Apa ibu?
Bentar ya.
Ya. Oh, silakan Pak Nur. Enggak. Saya. Jadi baru dengan
Gula tebu. Nah iya, itu daun bambunya. Makin.
Wah,
Mau pakai pedakan? Mau pakai pedakan atau?
gini aja ya.
Nah, udah gitu aja.
also continued to be developed with research which proves the materials of polyethylene are effective to help against cold. In 1996, Ido Mobil successfully developed an extraction technique which led to liquid polyethylene. In 2000, BP Ido Mobil has a new factory in Nara with modern machinery, so that the production test has been proved the CEOB, the method for good medicine, which is pharmaceutical standard. Along with the development and growth of the company, now Cedar Montreal factory occupies a land area of 62 hectares.
Laboratorium Lengkap, modern, dan bersertifikat ISO 17025 serta didukung oleh para ahli berpengalaman dan tidak serta kami melakukan riset, produk, dan standarisasi produk.
Laboratories are the most important part for Cedar Montreal. Therefore, Cedar Montreal has modern and fully equipped laboratories. Among them are AAS Instrument Laboratory, ULC Instrument Laboratory, Formulation Laboratory, Microbiology Laboratory, Pharmacology Laboratory, Protein Chemistry Laboratory, Extractor Prison Laboratory, Testing Benefit Laboratory, IPC or In-Process Control Laboratory, and retain sample. Tolok Angin production process is carried out with standard GMP good manufacturing practice because Tolok Angin obtained a certificate as a standardized herbal medicine from the Indonesian Food and Drug Administration, using modern equipment and machinery and approved with CPOB standards. Products of Tolok Angin manufactured. Tolok Angin. Tolok Angin for children. Tolok Angin food. And Tolok Angin candy. In addition to the production process with GMP standards, Tolok Angin is also made from natural ingredients, gone through the process of standardization as well. Currently, Sido Muncul is also developing an organic farming as the raw material of Tolok Angin.
Hasil penelitian kami, pemberian tolak angin cair 2 kali 1 sachet per hari selama 7 hari dapat meningkatkan persentase oksigen termasuk produksi internasional. Karena pemberian cair anak 2 kali 1 sachet per hari ini dapat meningkatkan indeks produksi limfosit, fungsi fagositosis dan juga internasional. Itu berarti bahwa pemberian tolak angin cair maupun tolak angin anak dengan cepat dapat meningkatkan imunitas atau daya tubuh.
Yeah, what about I mean, yeah, there is one product.
Lima komplai produk kami lain untuk mencapai standar itu.
Semarang Herbal Indo Plant has modern equipment for the extraction of natural raw materials. Evaporator. Sterilization. VBE for vacuum belt drying. Distribution. The market of Tolok Angin is always experiencing a significant growth from year to year. For the domestic market, Tolok Angin has reached almost the entire region of the country. As for overseas market, Tolok Angin is available in almost all Indo-shops in various parts of the world. For domestic markets, Tolok Angin can be obtained in traditional markets, mini markets, supermarkets, pharmacies and drugstores, or even evidenced by the many awards that have been obtained by Tolok Angin. Some of them ICSA, top brand. Standardized herbal medicine, National Agency of Drug and Food Control of Indonesia, and other awards. Angin has also held various events attended by various society and national figures. Even some nationalists took the time to visit Sido Muncul factory in Arab.
This is the former five.
Okay, thank you. That's a little bit about the presentation.
Welcome to Domdo. And thank you very much for visiting us today. A little information about English, I will explain it, and you can ask Mr. Sudha. Because my this was built in 1997. Yeah. And I will show you the history of this company. This is the founder of Sido Muncul. This is the grandfather, my grandmother. They were born in Semarang and Ankara. Yeah. and they were born in 1897. They have 46 grandsons, nine children. No, I'm number 4. Yeah, number 6. They started to in 1935. It's around mother and my grandmother. They moved from Jogja because the war in Jogja and moved to Semarang in 1949. And in 1951, they built a factory named Sidomuncul. Sidomuncul means it's a dream come true. Yes, Jogja, they rent 2 rooms. One room here and the other is at the back of this house. Yeah, and this is where this is the in 1953 to this factory still in Semarang. Slide. Terus yang gambar pakai mana ya? Tidak usah. Nah, this is yang gambar packagingnya mana? Ya, my so this place was started to build in 97. Launch, yeah, by the Minister of Health at the time. And for the first time, we only 36 for packaging. This is 50 powder, herbal powder. Yeah, not gift. Terbikin itu artinya tidak sengaja dibikin. So can you please explain to? Nah, not produce. It's different with produce. This is tidak sengaja dibikin. Oh, I see made by the wife's name is Nyonya Simon, Mrs. Simpiang. This is me. I was born in 1951. My grandmother. Yeah. Terus, this is the product. This is sour soup leaf. This is papaya leaf. We have 200 products. Yeah. Terus. This award we got the award, so many awards. We have 700 awards. Started in 1998. Yeah. Yeah. Terus. Right. This is the award. This is our CSR. Yeah. Tadi mantan sebelum ini lebaran, Prof, coba Prof, nerangin. Kan gimana? Tidak ada proses, ya.
First to say, I'm very proud and all the things you do also on a humanitarian side, which is a very important point. I have actually foundation. With the first one will be on and then I will focus in 2 blocks. I think very little because this city is only 125 inhabitants. We have very old buildings because we are a very old city and a very old university set up in 4 but Yeah. So myself, just to introduce myself, I am an MD and PhD in biochemistry and the first vice chancellor. You will say that president in France, but we have, from which we have more than 4,000 foreign students from 136 countries, which is quite important. So, to be quickly going through it, in pharmacy, of course, is one of the disciplines we can do, but we have also pure and applied sciences, which is of interest for this visit. Maybe you will find of interest to see that Poitiers, or as here, oops. And this is France, Paris, and this is Europe. So you may, of course, know this little by the surface country, which is as here, with S2 going for 3 years, S2 going for 2 years, and S3 going for 3 years, or a little bit more. From the Faculty of Medicine to the Faculty of Medicine in Semarang for a short stay of 4 to 5 weeks. See, to show where we are. And you said Indonesia has 6 persons. One from next year, one from UI, me, several from Untan, and presumably also from UGM. Well, we go through this, and we have 2 research labs, all endowed by official bodies, which recognize the excellence of work. Will it be in health and research and medicine, or of course also in biology and agronomy ecology. Students' life is not of much interest here. We are part of many European Union master programs as Erasmus Mundus, but it's that we can receive persons from abroad, and if could be of interest, it is the one which is called EMAE, because it is advanced ecology. So I will skip on this one, and then this was for yesterday.
Hubungannya dengan apa dari laborator di Prancis ini? Kalau dengan Muncul kan kita sudah lama bekerja sama ya. Dengan Fakultas Kedokteran, Pak Edi dengan Pak Nur sudah kerjasama untuk secara khusus adalah tol angin. Dengan saya pribadi membantu Pak Irwan untuk meningkatkan kinerja lingkungan, dan saya kira hasilnya sudah nyata gitu. Sekarang dapat biru dan mudah-mudahan proper program peringkat kinerja perusahaan. Business performance rating from perspective of the environment is he got a blue category.
Going to be green.
Green is one step more. It's going to be green.
Blue is less than green.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Blue means that you already comply
Okay.
everything. Lalu juga saya kira banyak para mahasiswa Undip yang melakukan magang, riset, demikian juga dosen. Nah sementara ini kan kita sudah merintis kerjasama dengan Poitiers University dari Perancis. Sudah ada beberapa mahasiswa kita yang mengambil master dan doktor di sana. Demikian juga mahasiswa Perancis yang datang ke Undip untuk waktu yang sekitar 4 minggu. Nah, kita ingin menjajaki kerjasama di antara 3 pihak ini, Sito Muncul, Poitiers, dan Undip. Tadi sudah ada pembicaraan awal, mungkin adalah salah satu produk yaitu
Riset lanjutan.
tol angin, riset lanjutan dari tol angin. Lalu juga Pak Irwan mengatakan kepada kita itu kaya akan keanekaragaman hayati, biodiversity, tetapi baru sekitar 500 dari 3.500 itu di
30.000.
30.000 baru 500 yang dimanfaatkan. Saya kira ini adalah kesempatan luas bagi 3 institusi ini untuk melakukan penelitian yang bermanfaat untuk masyarakat. Saya kira dari perspektif itu kami sangat berharap kerjasama ini bisa dilakukan bukan hanya bermanfaat untuk masyarakat, tapi juga bagian dari upaya kita untuk menjadi world class university terutama dalam dengan Prancis. Kita banyak universitas dengan di sana, yaitu perencanaan wilayah kota dan PIK, dan Undip cukup banyak, ada 10 di sana, salah satunya adalah UAC. Dan country is it?
Herbal therapy is a traditional term in Western countries also. It has decreased with burst of chemical medicine, but now we realize that we had some things which have been not forgotten yet. So herbal therapy is starting again with, of course, very different plants, since we are in a mild temperate climate. So we have winter, spring, summer, and autumn. So it makes the plants very different. But of course, we do have things. For instance, we have plants for growing sleep. Can be found here also, Passiflora, Melia. We have plants for healing little birds. And most of these plants are sold in pharmacy, but most of them are in para-pharmacy. That means just a side of the pharmacy thing. But you should, well, one forgets that at least 50% of Western medicine comes from natural compounds. It does not come from chemistry. Well, chemistry helps. Chemistry will change the things. Chemistry will improve, will make it reproducible, will not spoil the nature. Well, yes or no? But it's not enough to provide new compounds. And then in countries such as this one, with such a biodiversity and old knowledge, I believe we can find some plants which will be the Western medicine of tomorrow. That means Western medicine for, of course, all the countries. Safe than working with a big farm, because of course we will do it on a basis of course selling it, but we will share everything with the producer, and we will not have all the financial benefit for us, of course, which is totally different, I guess, from some of the big farms. I will not them, but most of them are American or German.
Ya saya rasa kalau kita kan udah bersama dengan Undip, kalau ada dari Perancis atau dari mana, saya rasa akan menambah lebih baik. Kemudian jadi kalau kami melakukan penelitian tentang tolaknya, ini penelitian lanjutan atau second option supaya untuk pembanding. Pembandingnya di sini dengan Universitas Perancis. Ya, salah satunya yaitu kita membuat suatu, kalau ide saya ya, membuat sesuatu yang obat-obat farma tidak bisa di dunia kedokteran. Jadi misalnya penyakit-penyakit degeneratif, kemudian virus, obat-obat alam ini, karena menurut saya pasti ada sesuatu yang bisa membunuh virus itu. Ya, ini nanti sudah segera menjalankan. Nanti bulan ini kalau nggak salah ada mahasiswa Perancis di sini, tapi idenya yang sebuah penelitian adalah ide-idenya.
Ini Pak lebih ke ini apa Pak? Kedokteran atau?
Kedokteran. Iya, ini kan profesinya kan dokter seorang.
Bisa memasarkan ke kerjasama dan jangka waktunya Pak? Nggak ada organisasian?
Kan itu kerjanya parsial toh. Misalnya produk apa kita lalui penelitian. Kan ini kerjasamanya sama Undip. Nah, Undip sendiri ngajak sudah muncul. Ya saya berharap dan lebih baik. Semakin banyak orang yang meneliti semakin baik. Kita akan lakuin terus mencari buka. Ini kan seperti masih rahasia. Nah, yang meneliti melakukan Di lab kami itu dilakukan adalah penelitian mengenai itu bahan-bahan baru. Oh itu nanti aja kalau itu yang kalau kita ada sesuatu yang menurut kita itu bisa digunakan, yang pertama kita lakukan adalah uji toksitas. Sebab uji toksitas ini yang memungkinkan untuk kita mendapatkan di badan. Sebab kalau nggak lewat itu ditanya belum pernah dipakai oleh industri ini. Jadi kita mencari yang pertama semua toksitas, yang kedua mencari dosis yang tepat, dan yang ketiga idenya ya adalah mengkombinasikan bahan-bahan alam itu. Siapa tahu di tengah-tengahnya itu.
Especially
Itu nggak usah Pak. Ya, sudah pernah dikai.
Ya, terima kasih.
Saya menyaksikan. I testify.
Bro, saya pamit ya.
Iya, iya, moga.
Pamit.
Moga.